Good afternoon, and welcome to the McGuire Life. This is Jeremy, and today I am going to show you how to make a grilled cheese sandwich using a toaster. This is for people that cannot use the stove, and I tried this method and it works. So what you need is a toaster. You need bread, cheese, you need butter, now what you need to do, you need to put a slice of butter on the bread so the cheese will not stick. So once you get butter on your bread, then you put the cheese on. Make sure you spread out the butter once you got it on your bread first. Almost lost y'all there. Don't need the butter anymore. Now, you need cheese, and I am using Sargento cheese. You can use Kraft or any brand you prefer. It don't matter. Grab another slice. difficult using one hand. That's all I can do. Almost lost y'all again. I do apologize. I'm doing all I can using one hand. That's all I got. Now, what you need to do, take your slice of bread, then you got to match up the lines on the bread. Make sure it's all good and down so that it will not come off. Almost lost it again. Now what you need to do, stick the sandwich into the slot there. Now take your other grilled cheese sandwich, and put it in this slot here. And then set your number, what you want the toast to be. Light toasted or dark. Then what you need to do, pull down on the handle there, and then wait until the sandwich gets through cooking. But depending on your preference, if you want the cheese melted a little bit more, then you will need to let it cook a little bit longer, but not too long because you will burn the cheese. So in the meantime, I will grab a fork. Put the cheese up. Melt. And who wants to eat melted cheese? I don't. So back in the fridge it goes. Okay. Now I got here jalapenos. Now the sandwiches are done. We'll have to get the fork and lift up the sandwich to see if it's cooked enough. If it is not, what I might let them cook a little bit longer because I like the cheese melted. Now I've got pickled jalapenos. If you want to have a little bit of spice, I think that will be enough right there. So I have to cancel the toaster. Now it's going to be hot, so lightly take it out. Didn't melt the cheese. Like I wanted it to then. So what I'll do, if it don't melt the cheese like I wanted it to, then I gotta go over here to the microwave. Take this cover out. Now what I need to do is spread them out. So I will set the microwave to 15 seconds. I added 30 seconds. So we'll let it take time for the cheese to melt. I think that's good right there. We'll have to check. And you guess what? I think the cheese is melted. That's how to make a grilled cheese sandwich, my friends. So if the toaster doesn't melt the cheese like you want it to, then you'll have to come over to your microwave. Depending on the power of your microwave, you'll have to set the microwave to 15 to 30 seconds, but you don't want to let it cook for too long because it will completely melt the cheese. You just want it melted enough. Now what I'm going to do here, add in jalapeno. Set you down right here. Move the cream. Need that. Take your fork, if you haven't used it with your sandwich yet. Then take your sandwich. If you cannot get the bread to open up enough, just leave it like it is, so you won't rip the bread in half. What you do, then you add how many jalapenos you want that will satisfy you. Now put the jalapenos back in the fridge. And now you got the finished product. So it's time for me to chow down lunch. I hope you enjoyed watching this helpful how-to tutorial video. And thank you for subscribing to my channel. And spread the word about my YouTube channel, The McGuire Life. And leave a comment down below what you think about this video. And I will be uploading this video after I get through eating lunch. And I love you with all my heart. And God loves you with all his heart. And we all have hard days, but they shall pass. Good days are ahead. And enjoy the holiday season, and God bless you. Thanks for watching.